Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can solve the problem of Instagram music is not allowed in your region. So for that, open up your Instagram, and after that all you have to do is just switch your personal account into a professional account. And for that, go to your settings by clicking on the top right corner on the three lines, and in your settings you will be able to see this option of account. Just click on it and then scroll down to the very last. Then you will be able to see the options of switching your personal account to your professional account. And even if that doesn't work out, then you can always click on edit profile and change the category of your page, and then you will be able to select the music of your choice. And if the problem is still persist, then you can go to your settings and click on help, and then click on report a problem. After that, again click on report a problem, and here briefly explain your problem to Instagram and also add a screenshot of your problem. That will be able to make Instagram reach you out and solve your problem. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.